video we're going to be looking at how to create a DIY slant board. The slant board is a really good, effective way of treating injured knee, such as patellar tendonitis. I recently injured my right knee and I was looking at ways how to create a slant board. So I didn't want to go and buy one, and I'm not very good at woodwork. So I was thinking, what's the next best thing in creating a slant board? So I was looking around my flat to see what I had to hand. And I did a lot of printing in my business, so I thought I could use paper, part of paper, for elevation. Got some recycled used printing paper. So that gives me the elevation. Look at about 25 degrees roughly. And then I looked around, I had bathroom scale, which basically acts as the slant. It's an ordinary glass bathroom scale. Place that across the top. Quite secure. And doing your bare feet if you're on a glass bathroom scale so you don't move around. Making sure you're secure, no slipping. And so my injured leg is my right knee. So what you want to do is put the weight on the injured knee on the way down, in the eccentric movement. So going down and sitting into the squat, and then pushing up on the good leg, down on the injured leg, sitting into the squat, pushing up on the good. So you're going down roughly parallel to the ground. If that's a bit too uncomfortable, then you can go down a bit higher and slowly increase it until you're roughly parallel to the ground. And you can do 3 sets of 15 with very little discomfort, then you should start looking at increasing the resistance. And one way to increase the resistance is to either use dumbbells or perhaps a rucksack. You can put weights in the rucksack. And in my case, I don't have any weight, so what I did was I went into the garden, had a look around, got a fairly large stone, just an ordinary garden stone in the garden, and put it in this bag, and then got a rucksack, put the stone inside the rucksack. So the stone weighs about 5 kilograms. It gives fairly added resistance. And then stand on the DIY slant board. Again, you want to go down slowly on the injured leg. Then you weight on the injured leg, going down, setting into the squat, and then pushing up on the good leg, down injured, and up on the good. Always monitoring your pain, making sure that not too much discomfort, and slowly increasing the resistance. Eventually, at some point, once your knee is strong enough, returning to normal activity. Thank you for watching how to create a DIY slant board using what is available to hand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you felt that you learned something from this, perhaps you should look at subscribing to our YouTube channel.